Hi, I'm Dan, and today I want to give you a quick look at what's new in Elements 2.1. Now, this is mainly focused around the store and the new projects window, so let's dive into it. Here I've got Elements 2.1 launched, and you can see we have the new store button here, and if I click this, it will instantly open the store, which is really handy. Now, I'm going to go to my new projects window. I'm going to click new projects, boom, and now in my window, you can now see I've got an empty project I can pick, or I've got these projects in the store that I can go and view. Now, if you've downloaded projects from the store previously, they will appear in your library, and we're going to add some to the library in a moment, but first let me just show you. If I want to see these new projects here, I've got there's fitness and landing. I can click on one and it'll instantly open the store, show me the project, and I can just click get, and that will download, processing, boom, and it's now installed. So let me close these, and you can see now when I go back to the project window, there it is, and I can click on this and it's loaded up. Now let's go back to the new project window, and you'll notice I haven't got all my projects installed in here. So let me go over to the store. I can use this browse store button, and let me go to my purchases. Now your purchases tab includes all your free downloads as well, all the free things we have on the store. So let's have a look. Microblog, let me install this. That's going to download and install. Artist is another project. Let me install that as well. And if there's any things you've purchased on the store that do have a free project with them, they'll also be listed. So let's get the password plugin installed as well, as I know that has a free project with it. And we'll also install this free link in bio project. Let's get that installed. So you can see quite easily all my purchases, I've installed them. And now let's close the store window. And when I go back to the create project window, they're already listed here for me. So any projects you get from the store will be added to this project window, and any updates that we send out will automatically get installed and downloaded into here, so you're always up to date. You'll get an automatic notification to tell you that there's new updates available. So yeah, we can go ahead and just open any of these up. So if I click artist, boom, it opens straight up. So really easy and really nice. And we think this is a really nice workflow and a really nice central way to manage all your projects. So you don't have to go looking in the Finder, they'll all be listed here. So let me just open up, I'll open up this link in bio, and I just wanted to touch on some of our components, because we've over the last, since we launched Elements, we've consistently added new free components to the core product, and I think we're now at about 48 components included. Lots of new components in here, and under the forms you can see we've got a new date picker component, which I can just drop straight into my project, and there select a date, and there's various things you can customize in here, like the date format. Now this is the first version of the date picker, so let me just go to my templates contact section, contact us. Let me just drop this in. So I've got a contact form here, and we'll drop the date picker in down here. Let's go and preview this in the browser. Scroll down. So as I said, this is the first version of the date picker. You can obviously pick the month, change the year there, pick the date, and this is quite nice. So this will come through on your form, great for those if you've got a booking form that you need clients to select a date in. Really handy. You can also enable the time selection as well, and if the field's required, and it has all the usual styling in here, so you can make it fit in with your existing forms. Let's just go and preview this again quickly. So you can see now I've got a date, a time picker as well. So very cool and very handy. And again, this is added for free to Elements, just included with your license. We're just really rounding out what you get included in the base set, so you can hopefully build all the websites you need. Now we've got a lot more things we're working on that I'm not going to cover today or give you any hints at, but there's some really big projects in the works to add to Elements. So I think you're going to be really thrilled with what we're adding to Elements this year. So lots more good stuff to come. Do go and get Elements 2.1 now. Make sure you update to that. And on the note of the store, we are just putting the finishing touches to the first version of the web store, so you'll be able to browse all these on the web. And this is our move as we're working slowly towards replacing the old classic marketplace with the newer modern Elements store. And I hope you like these updates. All right, thanks for watching this, and I will see you soon. Cheers, bye.